Welcome back. Okay, our next pattern is going to be a weave to an underarm pass, okay, underarm pass, and then it's going to be a lady's underarm pass. Now, gentlemen, our passing is really more about trying to go underneath nice and easy and prepare her for her pass, okay? So if you want more detail on that, go to the private lesson style videos, all right? So, guys, your footwork is going to be a little bit different, so just, again, revert to the private lesson style. Ladies, you continue passing your feet. So in this particular weave, I'm slightly ahead, not behind, all right? I'm slightly ahead. So here I go underneath. Quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow. And close it up at that point. Remember, I'm giving her a lead to softly come out and pass her feet. So here we go. Oh, wait a minute. Went from the wrong pattern. So we're going to go from this position here. I'm slightly ahead. And quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, and slow. And again, you can finish with another basic after that. Cool? All right? So let's take it from this angle. Now, once more, you can see I'm slightly ahead. Line of dance is coming toward the camera. All right? I'm going underneath. And quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, and slow. Cool. All right? Now, away from the camera, line of dance is coming this way. All right? Slightly ahead. And ready? And quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, and slow. All right? Very cool. So again, don't worry too much about detail. You're going to be a little bit bigger, a little bit smaller in movement. All right? Depending on the size of your floor. Again, we're just kind of giving you a position, rhythm, and look. So quick views. That's what it's all about. So go practice. Come on back for the next pattern.